Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is a Dollar Tree haul. I just picked up a few items at the Dollar Tree and wanted to share them with you. So if you are new to my channel, I do love to do a lot of Dollar Tree oriented content as well as other affordable beauty content. So if that sounds good to you, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button. It helps me and my channel out so much if you take just that 1 second to do that. And of course, if you hit the bell notification as well, you'll be notified when a new upload goes up. And if you're returning, welcome on back for another Dollar Tree haul. And so yeah, if you do love Dollar Tree oriented content, I will have my entire playlist linked down below so you can binge watch all of my Dollar Tree videos. And so yeah, without any further chit chat, let's just go ahead and get into today's video. So most of what I got is beauty oriented, but I will get some couple other items just out of the way. So I did actually look on like eBay, and I was gonna buy like a big like 144 pack of votive candles, but kind of after I did the math and everything, I would have to buy 144 of them, and the math didn't really make it any better than just picking them up at the Dollar Tree. So I just did a haul like last week and picked up a pack of these. I picked up a couple more. These are the Luminescence Fresh Linen. I like to get them either in like the linen or the vanilla because I like them to be like white or cream most of the time. So this is what they had, and so I picked up 2 packs of these candles, and each of these will last me about 3 evenings for the amount of time that I normally have them lit. So I really enjoy these. They smell nice, they burn really well, so yes, picked up 2 of these. Now the rest is all beauty stuff, and the Dollar Tree had some interesting things yesterday, but they were also kind of out of a lot of stuff as well. But I did find a couple really cool things. So I actually have this already, but I have it in banana. And this is the last one they had. It's the Hard Candy Shine Free All Day, and this is the translucent shade. So they had one left, like I said, and I just went ahead and picked it up. It says that it's an oil-free loose powder. It's got a 12-hour matte finish, and it's part of the Sheer Envy line as well. It says it extends your makeup wear, mattifies your skin, and optimizes light reflection all at once. So it'll be really good for like under your eyes. And it says to apply over your makeup to set your look and control oils. It says it is weightless, translucent, and is suitable for all skin tones. So that is really nice. So that is really nice. Excited to try that in the future. Get ready with me. Then I picked up, every now and again they have a lot of really good like hair ties and that kind of thing. I picked up some that were, I think they were either Goody or Scrunchie brand, and they were for fine hair, and I've never been able to find them again since. And I bought some at Walmart a few months back, and they're a little too small. Really liked the ones that I had, but I could not find them again. Actually, to show you, these are the ones that I found at Dollar Tree. Good for fine hair, which is hair like mine. I don't have a lot of hair. And then these are the ones I found at the Walmart, and you can see that they're just a little bit on the smaller side, and I really much prefer this size. So they had a bunch of different types. They didn't have the ones that I really, really liked, but I thought I'd give these a try. These are the Goody brand, and this is the economy pack. It comes with 15 pieces, and it's these non-metal elastics for medium hair. And I got them in this color. They had like black and brown, and these are like a blonde shade. So I thought that was really cool. So I went ahead and picked these up. You know, you just can't have too many, you know what I mean? Now, although I need no more lip gloss or any lip product of any kind, I bought 3. So I just couldn't help myself. They had a couple of these plumping serums, and I don't believe I have these shades. If I do, then I forgot. But they had these 2 shades, and I do not think I have them, but it's the Hard Candy Plumping Serum. So this one here is in Love Child. And this one here it's like a dark purple with like some glitter in it. And this is called After Hours. So here is Love Child, again, beautiful. It's very similar to the very first one of these I ever bought. It's in the color Birthday Suit, so very pretty, super excited to try that. I do love these plumping lip glosses. And then I have high hopes for this one. Oh yeah, okay, it's gonna be a lot more wearable than it looks like in the package. It looks like it's gonna be really, really dark, but it's actually gonna be really, really wearable. So that one on the bottom is After Hours. Again, has a little bit of glitter in it, nothing offensive. It's a translucent purple, so very, very wearable. So either one of these will be really, really pretty. Very wearable. I've only bought one that was not wearable, and that is in a shade, it's like a blue shade. Completely unwearable, but yeah. And I've even seen like green. So yeah, excited to try these as well in a future Get Ready With Me. So I've actually got a couple of these already, and it is the Hard Candy Glitterazzi Liquid Sparkler. This is in the shade Blaze, and it has kind of a duochrome-esque type of an effect. Let's swatch this. This is beautiful. It does have a duochrome effect. And okay, let me show you because I'm super excited to talk about it. So there it is. It's like gold. It's actually showing up a little bit more peach, pinky peach on camera, but it's actually very gold and it's got a shift. It does have like a pink shift. You're seeing more of the shift on camera. So a while back, if you've been on my channel, you might know this. God, that's a beautiful shade. Oh my God. A while back, I had hauled some of the plumping. So a while back, I had hauled a couple of the plumping glosses. And like I said, I bought one in like a blue color. Then I bought one in a gold, and it was like gold. And I didn't think I was gonna be able to use it, but I found out that I could line my lips, you know, line my lips. I usually do brown. And this sounds weird, I know, but I'll have a picture up here of what I'm talking about in case you missed that video or are new to my channel. I line my lips in a brown, it's actually an eyeliner. And then I smudge it, and then I put this like, I have this like orange kind of coral like lipstick, and then I put that on, and then I put the gold gloss like in the center, and it's a beautiful effect. And I only picked up one. I didn't pick up any more, and I never see like gold lip gloss. This will, and I'm going through it. I use it all the time, so I will actually end up using it up. This is gonna be stunning, and I'm so glad that I picked it up, and I'm glad that it's kind of a little bit different than I thought. So, and now it's like my backup. Super excited to have this. So last but certainly not least, it had been a while since I had seen the Ioni lashes at my Dollar Tree. They run out really quick, you know, but they had a whole display of them, and they're the ones that kind of have like the ice cream theme. And they had a lot of different styles, and so, but I just picked up a few that I really, really, really liked. So let me show you. So I picked up these here. These are the Wispy Doll Full. And then I picked up the Wispy Cat Eye. Then this is the Wispy Dramatic Flare. And then these are the Wispy Long Crisscross. So I'll put a picture up of the whole display that they had. Some of the packaging was so cute. They had one that was like cream with sprinkles, and I wanted to buy them so bad just because of the box, but the style wasn't something I feel like I would like as much. So I remained in control, and I just bought a few pairs. I wanted to leave some for other people, as well as just, oh, and I actually just noticed this. So on the tops of the boxes, like I said, it's kind of got like an ice cream theme, like a dessert theme. So you have chocolate mousse, a berry good cake, carrot cake, and grape escape. So I think that's so cool how they sometimes do the packaging of these. So yeah, I picked up a few of those. I've already got a few pairs that I've hauled at one time or another, and so I'm glad to have a few more pairs, and I think some of these are new styles that I've never tried before. So I hope that you enjoyed another Dollar Tree haul, and if you did enjoy it, show me you did by hitting that like button. Things like that really do help out me and my channel so very much. I know it seems like nothing, but it really does help out my channel and help me fight those algorithms that are just very annoying. Also too, like I said, I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below. That way you can binge watch more Dollar Tree oriented content if this is your thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.